Sammy, what's going on?
I totally forgot to get school supplies! How am I supposed to go to school tomorrow?
Oh, let's make them ourselves.
Right! So you're a genius! Oh, I've so many ideas already!
Hey, wait for me.
Come on, hurry up! Let's get started! And what should I draw on? The table's just fine!
Wait, stop that.
Huh?
Better tell me, what are we gonna make first?
Well, I was thinking of doing everything at once!
Yeah, right. Let's go with the backpack then. It's the biggest thing you'll need. And even I already know what character should we take as a reference.
Interesting.
Hey,
Ow!
stay out of the way, Sam. I have to stay concentrated. In the meantime, you can try and guess who I'm drawing here. So, any ideas?
Oh, it's my melody, Sue! But wait, I want to add something too. Now we're talking.
Well, the blueprint is done, and now we need to color it. Sammy? Where did he go?
What could be better than a walk in the woods? Oh, such a beautiful color. Smells good too. Just what I need. Timber! Oh, whoa.
Whoa, hey, what's going on? Sammy, well, thanks, I guess. Maybe this yellow will be good for the bow. Nah. Sam, can you bring me the markers?
Whoa, I already have them here, Sue. Here you go.
Oh, great, it's 2 of them. I think I'll go with this one. Oh, yeah, it already looks so much better. And I'll use a slightly different shade to color it.
Move, please. I want to do a few amendments if you don't mind. At least now she can see.
I'd say she almost can. Good thinking though, Sammy. Here comes a friendly smile.
Oh, and I found the perfect pink for the outline.
Oh, really? Let me see.
Wait!
Hey, I really like it. I guess there's no better expert in paint than you, Sammy. Whoops, I think this marker is out of pink.
Seriously? I didn't know you can do that.
Hey, here's an idea.
What? What are you doing? Stop that immediately! It tickles! Next time, the heads up will be nice, you know.
Oh, better look at what we've got here. All we've left to do is color these 2 stripes. I think we're done with it. Well, what do you say, Sammy?
I think it needs more durability. Away! Hey, sticky tape, wait for me!
Thanks for the help. Now this backpack is definitely Sam-proof. Oh, I can't wait to put all these pieces together.
Aren't you forgetting the back of our backpack?
Whoops, my bad. Now we have all the parts we need. The assembling stage is pretty easy.
Great! And I'll have my snack break.
Good luck with that. Maybe you'll also find something to fill our backpack with.
What to eat? Chips! I love chips. Hey, it's empty. Did I already eat it all? Oh, that's a bummer. Maybe there's something else back there? Apple jam! My favorite! Oh, come on. Come on, open. Ow! Oh, fine. I never wanted it anyway. Oh, a whole jar of cotton candy. Oh, yippee! Wait a minute. That is not cotton candy. This is the most unpleasant experience ever.
Oh, Sammy, at least now we know that we shouldn't taste polyester batting. And sealed. What do you say, friends? I like it.
I think I lost my strength from hunger.
Oh, you poor thing.
Oh. Thank you.
Now, this should go over here. And a couple of shoulder straps, of course.
And don't forget about the zipper, Susie. There's no backpack without it.
Right, there we go. Oh, would you just look at this cute squishy backpack we made?
I won't look. I will test it. And now guess what? I need some stationery.
Well, your wish is my command.
What? Are you serious? Oh.
Let's start with writing utensils. We'll make a pencil now. It'll be easy to erase it in case you make a mistake.
Now hold on a sec. I want to make sure you're doing it right. Well, I knew that. You forgot the main theme of my stationery. That's better. You can proceed.
Thanks for looking out for me. Now pick a color.
Oh, I really like that yellow marker.
My Melody's nose will be yellow, and her eyes will look good being black.
Wait, did you say black? Here's a... Huh? I thought you wanted me to help you. Oh.
Sammy, you know I'm always happy when you help me. It's just, this stage of craft is pretty basic.
Huh? You really mean that?
Yep.
Okay, then. Susie, I'd like to take my new backpack outside if you don't mind.
Wait. Before you do that, pass me the tape, please.
I do that, but I can't get out. That's not funny. Why do I always end up like that?
Well, maybe slimes and tape just don't get along. Anyway, at least I'm pretty good with the tape. See? Now we just need to give our pencil its shape.
Oh, I can't wait to give it a better look. Oh, I can see you, friends. Whoa, I can see a lot of stuff, actually. Do we need anything from that, Sue?
We absolutely do.
Now that tip totally could use a black marker, am I right? To make my pencil look like a real pencil, you know?
Right you are, Sammy. Here we go. Well, we're all set for the surgery, Doc.
Nurse, I need Twizzlers.
Here you go.
And some filler.
Sure thing.
Okay, let's do this. Now this goes here. Very well. Just hold on here, buddy. Phew. The procedure went without complications. It's your turn now.
Let me see. Nice stitching, Dr. Sam. Let me just do the final step. And we're all set.
Well, I'm glad to be helpful to a fellow doctor.
I think we could use a little flower over here. Perfect. One squishy pencil, check. Oh, it's so nice to the touch. Here you go, Sam.
Thanks. I'll be all set with a notebook.
We should start from the sketching once again.
But I'll do the sketch myself this time. Voila! It's your cue, little Sue.
Wow, I didn't know you were a poet. Did you know that, friends? Oh. And now, to the coloring.
I also made a little something to make the notebook look cute.
Aw, it's so cute. Let's put it aside for now. First, I need to do some cutting. Always be careful with scissors, friends.
All the work has worn me up a little. I need some rest. Oh, this looks like the perfect spot.
Well, here's what we've got so far. Looking good, right? But we're not done yet. We should make our notebook squishy just as we did with the rest.
Hey! Will there ever be some peace and quiet here?
I'm sorry, Sammy. I didn't see you there. That was awkward. Alrighty. Now we are definitely done. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, the decor by Sammy should go here. Perfect.
Whoa, Sue, this is awesome! Thank you so much. Friends, let's have a look at everything once again.
Oh, I really like our crafts. Did you get what you need, Sammy?
Yep, and I had so much fun crafting all that. Give us a thumbs up if you did too, friends. And don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for being with us today. Hit the bell button so you won't miss anything. And see you soon!